Okay, with this video I want to demonstrate how to properly format your works cited page in MLA style. So we're going to start with a blank document. Actually, this should be the last page of your essay, so you'll be typing your essay. You'll get to the end of your essay, do a hard return or page return, and you'll end up with this page. And you should already have set the margins and the line spacing, but just to remind you of that, you need to be double spaced. You don't want any extra spaces between lines before or after, and your margin should be 1 inch. So let's check page layout. Your margins should be normal, 1 inch all around. So that's default. For line spacing, under the Home tab in Word, here's your line spacing button. Click on that. You can go to line spacing options, and you want double space, and you want 0 on both before and after. And that's the trick. It's the easiest thing. Once you've done that, you're all set to go. So you're on your last page. Center the heading. Notice you're at the top of the page, so you don't need to do anything else. Works cited in MLA form. With APA or Chicago it will be different, but for MLA it is works cited. Hit enter. Now go to left justify, and you're ready to start the citation form. Now if you look at a works cited page, you notice that the first line is all the way to the left and the second line is indented. Now to avoid having to use tabs and messing up your formatting, you really should set your hanging indents. So that's, again, really simple. Simply go up to your ruler bar, make sure it's there. But the bottom triangle, if you highlight it, if you hang on to it, it's hanging indent. Just pull it over 5 spots and you're set to go. So let's do quickly the citation we did last time. Mark Dudzik and Adolph Reed Jr. Free Higher Ed. Title of the article. The nation is the journal. Notice again italics and then quotation marks to distinguish the types of titles. And turn off your italics to get to 23 February 2004. And remember, we looked at, I think it was the pages were 16 through 18 or something, and we were using print. Now notice this is one line, so it doesn't go over the hanging indent, and we just hit the enter. Now, if we did have something longer, let's just say Smith, John, well, we could do this, couldn't we? Freedom Prize and other stupidities we'll have to explain to our grandchildren. Directed by Chris Crispin. Distributed by Cinema, and I can't remember if it's Cinema Verite or not, but I think that's incorrect, but we can, well, just to show you here. This is a great way to find information on videos and films. So we need to find company credits, and the Cinema Libre. Cinema Libre 2006 film. And while I'm at it, Freedom Prize and stupidity we'll have to explain to our grandchildren. Okay. So the main point is, notice I didn't have to do anything to get to the hanging indent. Enter, and I go back to the left. that's all you need to do with to format the Works Cited page. Remember, the key is to hit the hanging indents, get the line spacing correct, and you're done. Just type it as follows.